Hi friends, welcome to Caltex Academy. Today we are looking at question number 4, and if you have not seen question number 1, 2 and 3, please go ahead and watch before you continue with this series. So we have the question here, that is y equals to sine x ln x. So at this point we can let also u to be the first part here, that is sine x, and then the next term here we can let it to be v, so v is ln x. So we can go ahead and differentiate the u with respect to x, and we obtain the derivative of sine x is cos x. So we also do the same to v, where differentiate v with respect to x, and then the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Then we write our formula, dy by dx is given by v du by dx plus u dv by dx. Now let's make our substitution, where we have the y by dx is given by v is ln x times du by dx, and du by dx is cos x, and then we add u, and our u is sine x multiplies dv by dx, which is 1 over x. So we can go ahead and simplify the right hand side, where our dy by dx equals to, let's write this quantity sine x, and then we multiply it by ln x, then plus this is numerator over 1. You can multiply the numerator separately and the denominator separately here, so we have sine x over x, and since there's nothing common, this is our answer. So please support this channel by liking this video, sharing with friends, and then subscribe to the channel to get notification for more interesting videos like this, where in our next discussion we shall be looking at quotient rule, and see you in the other side. Ciao.